areas everywhere. Like, you know what I mean? Like, somebody.
Nice cutoff.
And the other one just has, like, let's go to the.
Nope. Yeah. I'm wondering, how did you get there? How is that possible? Dude, you got a big, huge lane to pass me, and you chose not to. I know it ends soon, but come on, don't tailgate me. Nope, up there. Sorry, old turd. Don't slow down. What the fuck, dude? Weird ass butt flaps. What's the point of that? And you're just gonna exit dive anyway. Weird. Nope. Nissan drivers. Fuck, man. It's like people don't know how to merge in this state. No one's coming, I'm just rolling through. It's just like the Parkway in Connecticut.
You done messed up, Aaron!
No stop. Really?
Oh, the universe is not just here taking care of me. Like, God isn't here laying it all out before me. This isn't a path for me to discover. This is a path for me to build and to create.
Okay.
It's a life for me to live.
Yeah, I gotta get the Wendy's. Wendy's! Yay! Wendy's!
That's exactly it. Like the Loch Ness Monster thing, I like this, you know, it's an interesting headline. It's a little clickbaity.
Oh.
Like,
I kind of get why he had to move over, but nice cutoff.
Kind of in that realm of kind of like crypto things that have been shown to work in different kind of pain studies, that sort of thing. So, yeah. I feel like we both just went bleh on you.
Of course.
I work with a lot of older people,
was
and
enough
they
in advance,
tend
but
to
he
be
did kind of cut me off.
heavily religious, and they're not
So I'll
going
use it.
to change their. They want, more indulging them while they talk about it. I mean, I'm not very
left turn,
in the
regret.
Bible, but they want.
Is that a stop sign? Yes, it is. No stop, Nissan driver. Youngwood. Sorry, my wood's not that young anymore. It's red. What are you doing over there? Oh, look, he's backing up of shaming. Or at least he was. I don't know if he's still going to attempt the turn or not. And there he goes. I don't know if it turned green for him or not. It's hard to tell from here. Don't be a... Alright, there's something you don't see every day. Usually if you're on like a country road or something, you'll see a tractor on the on the roadway, but not on an interstate highway. What the hell's going on? Really, it's double line here, dude.